go. So this is my garden. I have already begun to prep for the spring. I put this, I made me a homemade trellis. I'm going to put cucumbers, tomatoes, and squash, and whatever else that loves to vine. I'm going to put on that trellis right there, if y'all can see it. Made by me. This is stuff that I planted earlier in the year. Didn't expect it to come up, but it's prospering. I thought this was a kale mix right here, but my daughter said this is broccoli. I don't recall putting broccoli down. I forgot to put the signs down. And I think this is something right here, but I don't know what. And since I don't know what it is, I'm gonna pull it up. But I did put some beets down here yesterday to join this one. Put some beets down, carrots. That's baby carrots right there, but I put more carrots down. And I put some turnips down. And I also made a greenhouse, homemade greenhouse. Let me show you guys that. The other day I came back here and cleaned this area out. It was full of leaves, but this is my homemade greenhouse. I'm not gonna open it, but I got some chard in there. I got lettuce. I got broccoli, cauliflower, and I think I put more kale in there. This is the one that I have on the inside. I have tomatoes, cucumbers, squash in this one. Let's see how it works out. See how it works out.